See, now it's getting ready to do its thing. And
Roomba is positioned.
the dog doesn't quite know yet what to think of it, so he keeps his distance. Investigates, but at a fair distance. Anyways, so this just gives you an idea of hopefully the sound level and then what it does. I will say it does, refresh itself. In other words, it goes to clean its pads fairly frequently, which quite frankly I'm fine with. It takes longer, but I'd rather it do that than, have dirty water that it spreads over the floors, you know what I mean? Anyways, one thing I'm going to quick point out here in the next segment is the scrubbing capability. It's okay, good, but not great, especially for, I'd say, stains that have been there for a while. So, yeah, I'll just show you what I quick do to help that along.
It's broken right there. You can see it's broke. And then this thing came just like this with 2 wet paper towels inside it. And you can see water in the tube. Water droplets in the tube. So this thing is not new, it's used, and it's broken.
Roomba is positioned.
Can't get into there. Here. Stuck. Can't get into there. And then here is the dustbin that I have to clean out every time.
This is my review of the Roomba 405. It was super easy to put together with a tank, iRobot, some cleaning discs, and a ramp. I was scared at first, but it turned out to be kind of fun to put together. In fact, I had all the directions on this cardboard cutout and very simple to assemble. In fact, it was so simple, my 7-year-old was able to do it without instructions. And we had some fun putting it together and downloaded the app. We were able to start cleaning within just a few hours after it charged. And overall, it has been awesome. We named it Ruby, and we're super excited about this high-tech toy. We love it.
So just woke up in the morning and I found that the floor was flooded in the night. You can see this. Okay, I don't know for what reason, but yeah.
Not creation is finishing up. Not complete.